Hi everyone and welcome. My name is Domenico Romanelli, Senior Product Manager for Off-Road LED Retrofits at OSRAM. Today we are in Erbrechtingen in our application lab, and I would like to introduce our novelty, the new LEDriving HL Vintage family for a stylish, old-fashioned look with a warm white color temperature of 2700 Kelvin for old designed headlights for our lovely classic cars. With up to plus 300% more brightness, the OSRAM LEDriving HL Vintage retrofit lamps ensure excellent visibility and reduced glaring thanks to an optimized light distribution. The lamps provide a very stable electrical behavior even when installed on old electric circuits. With the latest LED technology and very compact design, these lamps allow a high compatibility and simple installation on cars with the respective halogen lamp types. Drivers can enjoy the advantages of the LED technology without high temperature, without UV emission, lower current absorptions, and longer lifetime in the headlights, and all of that with no impact on the aesthetics of their old-timer cars. Therefore, choose OSRAM, choose quality, choose LEDriving HL Vintage.